What can be your go-to versatile Indian wear, you might ask? It's the quintessential sari, of course. But if you want to mix things up this festive season and yet keep it traditional, these sari tricks are all you need. Elevate your dhoti blouse combo with a silk sari. A sari with a border works best for this look. Fold in the narrow side of your sari and secure it at your shoulder. Take your sari around the back and pleat the other side. Gather your pleats together and secure them at your shoulder. Now take the sari from behind your waist and start pleating it. Tuck the pleats at the back of your waist. Always remember to make wider pleats, securing them right in place. If you find the classic drape more flattering, here's a way to elevate your look. Pick a pair of straight pants instead of a petticoat. Pleat a rough pallu and let it fall over your shoulder. Taking the sari from the back, pleat the other side. Gather your pleats and start pulling fabric upwards to achieve a waterfall effect. Tuck your gathered pleats into your waistband. Gather the fabric at the back and pleat it. Tuck the pleats into the back of your waist. Now gather your pallu and make it slimmer before securing it with a pin. A lightweight sari works best for this drape. This drape will allow you a lot more movement and yet keep your look traditional. There's no beating straight pants when it comes to being comfortable. Here's a fresh way to add a sari to the mix. Take a lightweight sari for this drape. Go to the end of your sari and pleat the width. Drape it over the front of your shoulder, letting the pleats end just above your feet. Bring the sari to the front from the back of your waist and pleat it. Secure the pleats with a pin and tuck it at the back. Separate your pleats evenly and belt them into place. There you have it, 3 perfectly chic yet traditional new additions to your festive wardrobe. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.